Error 33 in League of Legends signifies an account restriction, typically a suspension or permanent ban enforced by Riot Games' anti-cheat system, Vanguard. It prevents you from logging in and playing. Error 33 is an error code that appears when your League of Legends account is restricted, stopping you from logging in and playing the game. As of October 2025, this error primarily arises from Vanguard's detection of cheating behaviors, such as using unauthorized third-party software like scripting tools, auto-aiming programs, or stat manipulation. In some cases, it can also result from severe toxicity or account sharing, violating Riot's terms of service. The error message is now more specific, often indicating the reason for the ban. Recent trends show increased reliance on AI-driven enforcement and stricter measures to maintain competitive integrity, especially in esports. If Error 33 is due to a confirmed violation of Riot's terms of service, there isn't a direct fix. Your best course of action is to first check the Riot support website for specific ban details by logging in with your affected account. If you believe the ban is a false positive, such as conflicting software triggering the anti-cheat, appeal via the Riot support portal. Provide thorough evidence like system specs and logs of any third-party software you use. Avoid using VPNs or attempting account resets, as these can worsen the situation and lead to permanent bans. While rare, if the error isn't related to a ban, try reinstalling the LOL client or updating your drivers. Remember, appeal success rates for cheating bans are low at around 12%, but significantly higher at around 45% for suspected false positives. Riot's AI-assisted review process aims for quicker resolutions, but honesty and clear evidence are crucial.